Hey, I want to share with you this Bluetooth keyboard mouse combo that I have to use for work and my personal use. Inside, you're going to get your keyboard, your mouse, and you're going to get your USB to Type-C cord that's going to be used for charging. The keyboard is going to be ergonomic in design. You can see it has this slow ripple effect that's going to be easy for hand placement. I really like the soft synthetic leather with high density support that is perfect for my wrist. So while I'm typing, I can type for an extended period of time. And it has the leg kickstands that can be on the top and the bottom. So whether you want your keyboard angling down or you want it angling up is going to be your choice. Different ones are going to be for different posture. Having the keyboard angled down is going to allow for your wrist to be placed at a lower angle versus if you kick the top kickstands up, then you're going to place it with your wrist angled downward and your fingertips upward. My own personal preference is for the bottom kickstands to be out, so my fingertips are down and my wrists are a little bit higher. The mouse is also going to be ergonomic in design with a nice smooth arch to it. It's going to have the right, left toggle page buttons on the side and the left, right click with a scrolling wheel and an enter on the top. If you choose to connect via USB connection instead of Bluetooth, then you have those two options down here. You're going to have a USB and a Type-C. So no matter if you have a Mac, a Windows, or a different operating system that you're connecting to, then you have that fluid capability of connecting to either item and multiple devices within the same time. Your keyboard turns on up at the top, as well as the Type-C charging port is also at the top. Once you turn it on, your indicator lights over here will indicate if you're searching for Bluetooth connection or if you're USB, and your power light indicator as well. To search for that Bluetooth, push that button up at the top left side. And just like that, I have easy connection to my laptop. I can begin typing and being fully functional with just a few clicks of the button and the setting control. And again, that subtle wave of the keyboard keys is going to give me placement that is very comfortable to use while typing. The easy toggling between pages just using the small type buttons on the mouse is really functional and handy. It helps reduce the movement that I need to have on my desk. So if I have a tight workspace, then this mouse gives me extra benefit for being able to use that extra feature. I love that the mouse is also clickless. This helps keep all of my work nice and quiet. So if I'm sharing an office space with multiple people or I'm in a meeting, then I don't have that annoying clicking sound going on with my mouse. Likewise, the keyboard is also a soundless, clickless typing. This again is a really handy feature for when I'm in a meeting with other people and I need to type and I want to type quickly, but I don't want them to have to hear all the clicking that you may hear on a traditional keyboard. The Seenda keyboard and mouse features built in with rechargeable battery has that extra capability of giving me 100 hours of active use and 300 days standby. Easily charge it with the Type-C cord. I don't need to worry about batteries or battery life any longer. That is an extremely huge benefit and feature to me. So overall, if you're looking for a nice ergonomic design for your office or home space use, then this keyboard and mouse combination by Seenda is going to be just the right fit for you. It's going to offer that multi-device use capability between the USB, Type-C, and Bluetooth connections, allowing up to 3 different devices all at once, meaning you don't have to change your setting locations at all going from device to device. You're prepared and ready to go. Enjoy!